What's up everybody, Android here. So, Oukitel, which usually makes rugged and solid phones, recently unveiled a smart tablet called as the Oukitel OT8, and they were kind enough to send it to me to review. Well, if you want a stylish looking tablet with affordable price tag, this one is for you guys. So let's quickly unbox it and have a look inside. So after opening the box, the first thing you will notice is the tablet itself, which basically comes with pre-installed adjustable tablet case. And honestly, the tab itself feels very solid in hands. Anyway, you also get a wall adapter which can be connected via Type-C cable, which you also get inside the box. And the great thing about the whole unboxing experience is that you are also getting a stylus in the box. Well, we are in the era where smartphone companies are not even including the charger itself in the boxes, but here you are getting a full package of accessories even in a very affordable price tag. Anyway, here is the tablet itself. Well, it comes with 11-inch Full HD Plus 1200 by 1920p display. Plus, the build quality is pretty amazing and it feels really premium in hands. Further, it comes with Android 13 on board and feels like a stock version of Android 13, which makes the user experience pretty smooth. That's why it's pretty enjoyable to browse, watching Netflix and play video games on that one. I have used it and found it very snappier. Moving on, the OT8 is equipped with an octa-core processor that ensures smooth multitasking and responsive performance. And if you talk about the chipset itself, well, it comes with Unisoc T606 chipset, which is a decent chip considering the price. It comes with 6GB of RAM, which is expandable to 30GB and 256GB ROM. The tablet offers great storage for your apps, files, multimedia and content. You can also put your 2 SIM cards in it, which is pretty handy feature. Plus, it also features an headphone jack, which is a very useful thing to have. With that said, the tablet comes with 8-megapixel Sony front camera and a 13-megapixel Samsung rear camera, so overall the camera quality is pretty average, as you cannot expect a high-quality cameras in the tablet. But both cameras are pretty decent. But guys, the best thing about this tablet was its battery timing. Well, the OT8 is powered by a massive 8800 mAh of battery, providing up to 2 days of regular use on a single charge. So say goodbye to frequent recharging and enjoy uninterrupted entertainment, education and work on the go. Talking about the price of this decent tablet, well, the launch price is $179 and after the promotional period, the price will increase to $189. So don't miss this opportunity to own a state-of-the-art tablet at an unbeatable price, because you cannot get this kind of tablet in this price range. So if you want to buy one of these, the link will be in my description, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.